In this video, we'll make a Twitch channel look more professional for free in 5 minutes. Let's go. How's life, guys? Jireh Torres here, and today we will take a look at how we can improve our newly created Twitch channel by creating and setting up our panels and our offline screen. I have two questions. When you go to a streamer's channel and they're not streaming at the moment, what do you see? Offline banner. If there are no live streams at the moment in that specific channel and you're looking to find information on when the next live stream will be, or the Twitch streamer's social media accounts, what do? You scroll down, and what do you see? Twitch panels. But before we move on, if you have any further questions, I stream on Twitch every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Links will be in the description down below. And if you enjoyed this video or if you learned something, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on notifications because you're an amazing person. And I appreciate you. So now let's go ahead and start creating our panels. We're gonna use a free website called nerdordie.com. I'll be linking all of the resources that I'll be using in the description down below as well, so make sure to check out the description of this video. So let's go to nerdordie.com, and under resources there's Twitch panel maker. So if we scroll down right here, you can customize the entire thing. There's a preview on the right side of the screen. So for example, we will be doing our Twitter panel. So let's type in Twitter over here. You can change the font weight, the font size, and how big it is. You can change the scale of the icons as well. You can move the text and the positioning tab as well. On the effects tab, you can turn on the icon shadows, the icon shadow angle. You can change that as well. Change the border width, it's black, but you can switch to Twitch Lite or Mixer if you use Mixer. You can adjust the border like roundness as well here in the border radius. You can change the colors in the color tab. You can pretty much customize the entire thing. They have a set of icons as well that you can choose from. So we're doing Twitter, so let's choose the Twitter icon and then just customize it to our liking. Alright, so now I have my Twitter panel ready. I'm gonna click save panel image and just save it to somewhere in my computer. And then we can repeat the same steps for other panels that we need, for example, YouTube and other stuff. And then we'll go from there. Alright, so now when you're done creating your panels, let's go ahead and go to our Twitch channel. So here's my Twitch channel right here. If you scroll down, you'll see your panels over here at the bottom side of your channel. Just toggle the edit panel switch over here. So we can click this plus icon to add a panel and click add a text or image panel. We don't need to add a panel title because we're adding an image. So just click add image, click choose a file or drag it here, and then just navigate to wherever you saved your images from the Nerdordie website, and you'll see your panel over here. You can adjust the crop if you want, but we'll be using the entire image for this one. Just click done when you're done. This is a Twitter panel, so inside the image links to field, I'll be putting my Twitter URL, and under the description field you can put in a description if you want to. It also supports Markdown, which is Twitch's way of formatting your Twitch panels. You can click on that Markdown icon and see all of the commands here, or all of the codes that you can use in order to format your text. But for this one, I prefer not to add any description. It's just gonna be an image that links to your Twitter account. Click submit when you're done, and after that is done, you can turn off the edit panel switch over here. You can now test out the panel if it links to your Twitter account by clicking it. And now I'm able to see that it's working because I'm now on my Twitter page. You can now do the same for the rest of our panels. So now, as you can see, I'm adding a donate panel, which leads to my donation page. Since we're using Stream Elements as our alert system, they have their own donate page. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to streamelements.com. And on your Stream Elements dashboard on the left side of the screen, you can click on tipping settings, and here you'll find the tipping page link, which you can just copy and then just paste the link on your image links to field on Twitch. And turn off edit panel to see if your panel is working. Just left click to test, and we can see that it brings me to my tipping page. Alright, now that I'm done setting up 3 of my panels, I actually want to add Stream Elements panel extension. So go ahead and click edit panels again, and you'll see the available extensions over here. Just scroll down to the right and click view all extensions. On the top right side of the screen, we can go ahead and search for Stream Element. It's gonna show Stream Elements leaderboards. Just hit install, just click configure to set it up. If we scroll down a little bit, you'll see upcoming streams. So here we can set up our streaming schedule for everyone to know when we will be live. So for me, I stream every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and I'll set the time here, which is 12 a.m. At the bottom of the screen, you can select your own time zone. It usually selects it automatically for you. So now just go ahead and click save to save our settings, and we can close this out. You can go ahead and click activate and add as new panel. Just go ahead and click done, and now we can check our channel and refresh the page. Once we scroll down, you'll be able to see the countdown timer over here. If you want to rearrange your panels, just go ahead and click edit panels again, and then you can click and drag on where you want to put your panels. Now that we have our Twitch panel set up, let's go ahead and set up our offline banners. So now if we scroll up, you can see that our offline screen is just pitch black, it's empty. To change that, just click your face on the top right of the screen, then click creator dashboard. On the left side of the creator dashboard, just click preferences, channel. Just keep scrolling down and you'll be able to see video player banner. This is your offline screen. Update this to something that we have. So now, as you can see, instead of just having a pitch black screen, you actually have something to show your viewers. So the profile banner that we saw earlier, we can actually view it on your Twitch channel by clicking your name on the top left of the screen, and you can see your profile banner over here. You can also update your profile banner over here by just clicking the update profile banner button and then uploading a photo. So now that we have our panels, our offline screen, and our profile banner, the last thing that we actually need to update is our bio. We can edit that through our creator dashboard as well. Just go to our creator dashboard. Under preferences channel, just scroll down. You'll be able to see profile settings, and whatever you write over here will show on your bio on the Twitch app. And now I'll show you a screenshot of the Twitch mobile app to see how everything looks like in the app as well. Alright, so now we're able to finish setting up our panels and our offline screens, and now we actually look more professional compared to earlier where we have nothing in our channel. And like I said earlier, if you have any further questions, I stream on Twitch every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Links will be in the description down below. That wraps up our video for today. I'll see you in the next one.